Divorce can be emotionally and legally exhausting. So when you finally reach a settlement agreement, it often feels like a huge relief. It marks the end of the legal battle and allows both people to move forward with their lives. But what happens if your former spouse doesn't follow the agreement? Unfortunately, violations can happen. When one spouse fails to fulfill the terms of a divorce settlement, like not paying child support or ignoring agreed financial responsibilities, it can create serious challenges for the other person. That's why it's important to understand what steps you can take if this situation occurs. The first step is simple but important. Review your settlement agreement carefully and talk with your lawyer. Not every disagreement automatically means the agreement has been violated. Sometimes, the answer may already be explained within the agreement itself. A lawyer can help determine whether your ex-spouse truly failed to follow the terms and what your legal options might be. If there is a real violation, the next thing to look for is a dispute resolution clause. Many divorce settlement agreements include methods for resolving disagreements without going straight to court. One common option is mediation. In mediation, both spouses meet with a neutral third party who helps guide the conversation and work toward a resolution. The mediator doesn't make decisions, but instead helps both sides discuss the issue and find a solution that allows the agreement to be followed. For example, if a spouse stops paying certain expenses required by the agreement, mediation can help uncover why it happened and how the issue can be corrected moving forward. Sometimes, disputes can be resolved simply through negotiation. Your attorney may contact your former spouse's lawyer to explain the violation and request that it be corrected. In many cases, once the violation is clearly pointed out, the other party may be advised to comply with the agreement. Even if the problem isn't immediately resolved, these conversations can still be useful. They may reveal why the violation happened, such as financial difficulties or job loss, and help you and your attorney prepare for the next steps if the dispute continues. If informal solutions don't work, you may need to take the issue to court. Your lawyer can file a motion asking the court to enforce the settlement agreement. This legal action notifies the judge that your ex-spouse may be violating the terms of the agreement and requests the court's intervention. If the judge agrees that a violation occurred, they may issue an order requiring your ex-spouse to comply with the agreement. Failure to do so could result in contempt of court, which can carry serious consequences like fines or even imprisonment. Because of these potential penalties, court enforcement often motivates the violating spouse to finally follow the agreement. Another option, in some cases, is filing a motion specifically to enforce the settlement agreement. If the agreement includes provisions about attorney's fees, the court may even require the noncompliant spouse to pay those legal costs. While going to court is usually considered a last resort, it can be a powerful way to resolve the matter and ensure that both parties comply with the terms of the divorce settlement going forward. The key takeaway is this: you don't have to carry the burden of your ex-spouse violation alone. With the right legal guidance, there are several ways to address the problem, from mediation and negotiation to court enforcement, so you can protect your rights and ensure the agreement is honored. Need help protecting your divorce agreement? Don't face it alone. Contact Blattner Family Law Group today for trusted legal guidance and personalized support.